Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on what time you are watching this video. Today I thought I would give you a real up close and personal look around my home before I start cleaning. I do get quite a few comments quite often that say I'm cleaning a clean home, and I honestly wouldn't waste my own time, never mind yours, by cleaning a clean home. What would be the point of that? So as you can see, it definitely is not a clean home. I'd go as far as to say it was tidy, but it was definitely not clean. And I hope that these behind the scenes really do give you an idea of just how dirty my home gets having 3 dogs. There are 6 of us that live here. There is me, Lee, and our son Lee also, and 3 dogs, Dolly, Noah and Peggy, and there are literally no rules to my house. You've watched my videos, you know the score. My dogs are basically part of the family. They are allowed on the sofa. It's their home too, but they do make an incredible mess. As you can see, it's been snowing, so we do have quite a lot of muck around the door and obviously around the kitchen cabinets, as you've just seen. I zoomed in so you could see the mess that was made. And a little bit later on in this video, I wipe my hand along it so you can see that it's dried, it's not sprayed on there. I would not stage my home for YouTube. I just wouldn't do it. Those splashes are basically where the dogs run in from being out in the garden doing their business and shake the minute they come in. It splashes muck everywhere, so that does get cleaned every single day, but I left it specifically to show you on video what I'm cleaning when I'm cleaning up. So there's bits on the floor, and I really hope that you've enjoyed this up close and personal little before we start cleaning. It gives you an idea of what it's like, and hopefully it puts people's mind at ease to know that I'm not cleaning a clean home. It actually does need cleaning. It does get messy, and our home is very much lived in. I'm not particular, I'm not fussy. I wouldn't make people take the shoes off before they come in or anything like that. We are extremely house proud. I clean up every day, but our home is very much lived in. I would like to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community where millions of creators can all come together and take the next steps in their learning journey to learn a new skill. There are so many classes to choose from. My personal favourites are the home interior design classes. There are so many classes to choose from. There's videography, illustration, photography, interior design, creative writing. You can actually learn also how to care for houseplants. That's going to be a course that I take next time. As soon as I've finished my interior design course, I'm going to take the how to care for houseplants course, because I'm not very good with houseplants. Whatever your skill and schedule is, there is something for everyone on Skillshare. It's a great place to get lost in creativity. As you can see, the classes I'm currently taking are how to use minimalist interior design to live your best life by Erica Fogelman. It's a great course. This is an hour and 51 minutes long, and I enjoy it of a night when the housework is all done. I like to just sit down with my computer and learn this course. If you'd like to try a class yourself on Skillshare, they are currently offering the first 1,000 people to click the link in the description box down below, and you will get a free trial of Skillshare's premium membership. All the details are down below for you, and thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the cleaning.
My heart is just another melody.
sun came through the shutters absolutely perfect today for you to see the amount of dust that actually sits on these. I know I go on that I've got the most dusty house in Liverpool, but I really have. This is around 5 or 6 days, and I'm now going to clean the shutters with this cloth and clean the skirting boards, and you are going to be mortified when you see the amount of dust on this cloth when I've finished. Stay tuned because it's gross.
I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold you. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for you. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curve's like a new adventure, pulling me into the center closer. Yeah, baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curve's got me going crazy. Can't control it, cannot see it all.
Whatever you want, I'll settle for nothing, as long as we can keep the fire.
Now we are moving on to the bathroom. I'm going to use some Method bathroom cleaner and give the bathroom a nice deep clean.
I'll do whatever you do, follow you anywhere. If our chances are getting brighter, but I want you to know I can't help but fight this feeling. I want you to try. Imagine living without it, so let's go. Heaven is worth fighting for, you know. I've been standing right next to you, next to you. Oh, I know it won't be easy, but it's true. Imagine living without it, without it. So let's go. Heaven is worth fighting for, you know. I've been standing right next to you, next to you. Oh, I know it won't be easy, but it's true. We will regret what we didn't do, what we didn't do. I did kung fu my feelings sometimes. Got misdirected, you know what to say. And I was telling myself many lies, just like the old days. So is that what you want? We'll bring it in. Another level and you feel like quitting. It will be tough and we will surely be paying the price. Don't know about you, but I feel we're winning. So let's go. Heaven is worth fighting for, you know. I've been standing right next to you, next to you. Oh, I know it won't be easy, but it's true. We will regret what we didn't do, what we didn't do.
I have been loving these Asda Sensational wax melts. They smell unbelievable, and one of my subscribers recommended Cuddled Up to me, and I can't remember who it was, but thank you so much for recommending this wax melt to me because it smells gorgeous. I've been burning them. I think they were on offer 3 for £5, and I bought 3 of the Cuddled Up and they smell beautiful. So thank you so much for recommending them. If you've got any other recommendations of wax melts, please leave them in the description box down below because I'd love to try them. I love these ones from the Asda and they do a plethora of fragrances. You're literally spoiled for choice, but obviously I haven't bought them all. But ones that are my favourite are Cotton Candy Cloud, Cuddled Up, and the Christmassy one, which was like an orange and cranberry. That wasn't a sensational one, it was a little bit smaller, but still smelled unbelievably nice. I highly recommend those. I actually don't think it would be one of my cleaning videos if Peg didn't rob one of my cleaning cloths. And I'd just like to say I do use cruelty-free and animal-safe cleaning products. I'm using Ginger Twist method and it doesn't make my dog sneeze or anything like that. It's completely safe to use around pets, so I don't mind her stealing my cloths. It's been something she's done since she was a puppy and I find it really cute. But I really hope that you have all enjoyed this video. I hope it's given you some motivation. I hope you've enjoyed seeing an up close and personal of how my home looks, and that it's never 100% clean. It may look it on camera and sometimes we can have the setting so it's nice and bright, but I hope that me showing you these up close and personal images has made you see that my home is very much lived in. It does get very messy. I'm never going to have a lovely clean home with my 3 dogs. It's just not going to happen. So thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you could give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. And I would love it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share my videos with your friends. Share them on Facebook, because you never know who may need a little tiny bit of motivation today to get their housework done. And if my video can bring them just that little bit of motivation, then I'm really happy about that. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.